Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python list collection, slicing with negative step value. So first of all, what are lists in Python programming? So coming to some technical points about the list. So list is ordered collection of elements in Python, and list provides indexes to collection of elements. Lists are mutable. So once we create the original data, it can be modified, updated, or it can be deleted. Next, every list can store same type of data, different type of data. And we use square brackets to store list values, and the values are separated with comma. For example, list 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. And every list provides indexes to its collection of data, both positive, negative. Example, list 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So the positive indexes includes 0. So 0 to n minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is left to right and forward direction. So 11 is 0, 22 is 1, 33 is 2, 44 is 3, 55 is 4. And next we also have right to left backward direction list indexes, which is minus 5 to minus 1 or minus 1 to minus 5. So here we can use slice operator, square brackets, and we can make slicing of a list, which means getting a part of list, only few values from a list. So the syntax goes like this for slicing. So list of, we can take starting index colon ending index colon step value. So here ending index character is not included in the slicing. For example, so list of 5 0 minus 1. So minus 1 is a step value. So 5 to 0. Anyhow, we don't have 5 index. Okay. So directly it will take 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So this is 4, 3, 2, 1. And coming to 0. So 0 is not included because it is the ending index and the step value is minus 1. So you will get only 55, 44, 33, 22. Similarly, list of minus 1, minus 6, step value is minus 1. So minus 5. Okay, minus 6 to minus 1. So anyhow, we don't have minus 6. Okay, right? So it is supposed to take from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Anyhow, it is not there, not included end index. And the step value is minus 1. So we'll get the answer 55, 44, 33, 22, and 11. Okay, and here the indexes, starting index and ending index should be given in backward direction. So 5 to 0, minus 1 to minus 6, because we are taking step value as negative. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python lists example 5. Take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. I'm taking a list 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So the indexes goes like this here: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or negative indexes minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Right, so let us do all the cases one by one and try to understand in detail. So here I'm taking list of slicing. Starting index is 0, ending index is 5, so step value is minus 1. So I'm taking the index range forward direction: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But I want to do slicing as negative step, which is not possible. So you will get a empty list. Okay, for forward indexes you can't get a negative step value slicing. So we got a empty list. Similarly, second case, it goes like this: print list of -5 to -1. Okay, so step value is -1. So here also -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, anyhow it is not included. Now this has to be sliced with a step value of -1, which is not possible because the indexes are in forward direction, ending index to last index. So we got an empty list. Next, coming to third case. Now I'll take indexes in backward direction. So list of 5, 0, -1. So 5, anyhow we don't have the value till 0. Okay, so 4, 3, 2, 1. 0 index is not included. So step value is -1. So -1 means 55, 44, 33, 22. Right, so save it, come to the prompt and run it. 55, 44, 33, 22. So next case, it goes like this. So list of -1, -6, step value is -1. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, anyhow we don't have that value, it is not included. So step value is -1. So you'll get 55, 44, 33, 22, 11. So next, coming to, so list of 5, 0, -2. So 5, anyhow we don't have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 0 is not included because it is the ending index in the range. So in this 4 values, step value is -2. So it will take 55 and then 33. Since the step value is -2, 55, 33 is the answer. So next, I'll take -1, -6, step value is -2. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, anyhow it is not there, it is not included. So -2 is the step value, so it will take 55, 33 and 11. -6, anyhow it is not there, it is not included. Right, so save this, come to the prompt and run it. 55, 33, 11. So next, coming to list of -1, 0, -2, combination of negative index and positive index. So -1 is 55. So start from 55, go till 0. So this is a 0 index, 11. Combination of negative and positive index. So 55, 44, 33, 22. 0 index is not included because in slicing, end index is not included. So step value is -2. So it will take 55 and 33. That's it. Only two values. Step value is -2. So save this and run it. 55, 33. So let us take one more combination of positive and negative indexes. Right. 5 -6. Let us understand this. 5. So 5, we don't have the value, no problem. -6. -6, okay, we don't have the value. -5, -6. So 55, 44, 33, 22, 11, and step value is -2 in the last case. Okay, so you will get 55, 33, and 11. Right, so save this and run it. 55, 33, and 11. So this is how we are supposed to work with list collection slicing with negative step value. So whenever we are using negative step value, starting index and ending index should be in backward direction. Then only it will work. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video. And also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.